Do you find yourself squinting at screens all day long? Or maybe your eyes feel strained and tired by the end of the day? It's time to take action to protect your precious eyesight and even improve your vision. Here are some essential tips to help you safeguard your eyes and enhance your vision. Adjust your screen settings. Reduce the strain on your eyes by adjusting the brightness, contrast, and font size on your computer, smartphone, and other digital devices. Dim the lights in your room to match the brightness of your screen. Use blue light blocking glasses. Shield your eyes from harmful blue light emitted by digital screens. Blue light blocking glasses can help reduce eye strain and protect your eyes from potential damage. Eat a balanced diet. Maintain good eye health by including foods rich in vitamins A, C, and E, as well as antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin in your diet. Colorful fruits and vegetables such as carrots, spinach, kale, and berries are excellent choices for promoting eye health. Practice the 20-20-20 rule. Give your eyes regular breaks during extended periods of screen time. Every 20 minutes, take a 20-second break to look at something 20 feet away. This simple practice can help reduce eye strain and fatigue. Stay active. Regular exercise is not only beneficial for your overall health but also for your eyes. Physical activity promotes good circulation, which can help maintain healthy eyesight and reduce the risk of eye diseases such as glaucoma and age-related macular degeneration. Get adequate sleep. Ensure you get enough quality sleep each night to allow your eyes to rest and rejuvenate. Lack of sleep can lead to eye fatigue and dryness, impacting your vision and overall well-being. Schedule regular eye exams. Don't neglect your eye health. Regular eye exams can help detect any potential problems early on and ensure you receive timely treatment. Make it a priority to visit your eye doctor at least once a year. Your eyes are precious, so take the necessary steps to protect them and maintain good vision. By following these simple tips, you can safeguard your eye health and enjoy clear vision for years to come.